chapter number 5, that is magnetism and matter. Now let's study topic Earth's magnetism in detail. We have studied in its introduction part that Earth is a huge magnet. Now let's consider the Earth's sphere and the vertical axis which is passing through the center of the sphere is known as axis of rotation or geographical axis. The point on the surface of the Earth and passing through axis of rotation is geographical North Pole, or its diametrically opposite side is geographic South Pole. By this sign convention, north right of north is east. So this is geographical north and geographical south of Earth. And we assume a magnetic dipole, that is a bar magnet, inside the Earth This is the magnetic axis passing through north-south poles of a bar magnet, and the magnetic field is due to the magnetic dipole of assumed magnet, and the angle between magnetic axis or the axis of dipole and axis of rotation is 11.3 degree west. It is approximately equal to this. So Earth's magnetic field is due to giant magnetic dipole. Also, axis of dipole is tilted by approximate angle 11.3 degree west with respect to axis of rotation. And the south pole of this giant magnetic dipole is towards geographic north, that is here south pole of a magnet, and this is the north pole of a magnet, which is tilted by the angle of 11.3 degree, and it is towards geographic north and geographic south pole. It is not exactly coinciding with axis of rotation. Geographic south. And on this surface, which is on the surface of the earth, where the magnetic dipole is intersecting or passing into this magnet, this point is known as magnetic north pole of a magnet or geomagnetic north pole. And the magnetic pole near geographic south is called south magnetic pole, and it is on the surface of the earth. Earth's magnetic poles are on the surface near geographic north is north magnetic pole, or geomagnetic north pole. Similarly, the magnetic pole on the surface of the earth near to geographic south is south magnetic pole on the surface of the earth. And magnetic pole near geographic south is magnetic south pole or south magnetic pole. Or geomagnetic south pole. Now, north magnetic pole is located at latitude of the latitudes are the horizontal lines and longitudes are vertical lines on the earth. So here the location of north magnetic pole in terms of latitude and longitudes are latitude is 79.74 degree north and longitude of 71.8 degree west. It is the place in North Canada. Need not to learn these values for exam, it is just for knowledge. Similarly, we can see that the south magnetic pole, south magnetic pole is located at latitude of 79.74 degrees south and longitude of 108.2 degree east in Antarctica. Now, the direction of magnetic field lines of Earth is going into the North Pole, going into the Earth at North Magnetic Pole and coming out from the South Magnetic Pole. That is just opposite to the direction of magnetic field lines of a bar magnet, which coming out from the North Pole and entering into the South Pole. Thus, if we draw the magnetic field lines produced by the Earth's magnetic field is in this way. The lines are coming out from the South Magnetic Pole and entering into the North Magnetic Pole. Into the Earth, at magnetic North Pole and coming out from magnetic South Pole, that is opposite to the direction of magnetic field lines by bar magnet. Thus, because of this, magnetic North Pole is the direction to which North Pole of magnetic needle is pointed. That is, if we will place a bar magnet, then it points towards magnetic north direction, because here bar magnets, this pole is the South Pole, which is approximately directed towards the geographic north, and this is magnetic North Pole, which is approximately directed towards the geographic South Pole. Thus, magnetic north is the direction to which North Pole of magnetic needle is pointed. So this is the basic idea of Earth's magnetism. Now let's study some terms related to Earth's magnetism. We have studied about magnetic axis, magnetic meridian in the previous videos, and in this video we have studied about geographic axis. So let's see some terms. Related to Earth's magnetism. Number one is geographic axis. As we have studied that it is the axis of rotation. Or it is a straight line passing through geographic North Pole and geographic South Pole. Magnetic axis, it is the axis which is passing through a bar magnet. Or the line joining the magnetic poles of Earth. Next is, what is magnetic equator? It is the great circle on Earth and perpendicular to the magnetic axis. So here we can see that this is the magnetic axis and perpendicular to this magnetic axis is magnetic equator. So this is magnetic equator. The great circle on Earth perpendicular to magnetic axis. Next is geographic meridian. It is that vertical plane which passes through geographic axis of Earth.